What's up, guys? At property number 2, where we're gonna prep this one for some mulch. Got the other one done. Like we said, the rain is supposed to be coming anytime soon, so we don't want to get caught up with a bunch of black dye mulch in the rain. It'll mess someone's property up. Like we said, we like to do quality work, so we don't want to tear no one's property up. But you can see this property is very easy. Beds are pretty clean. Just a little edging that got to get done. So yeah, we're gonna tackle this one and hope Mother Nature holds up. We can win. There's a few beds over here, a few beds over there, beds over here. So yeah, I just wanted to do a video for you guys so you can see what's about to get done. And it's just like that. I'll see you guys soon. All right, gangers. What up, what up, what up, wave gangers? We're done prepping this one. This is our second house of the day. Got this bad boy all prepped out thanks to our bed edger. If you guys don't know about those, you ought to go and invest in one. They work like a dream. But let's just take a look around so we can see these edge lines. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. That's the JLC way, folks. Oh man. Shout out to my guy for that bed edger. Not only does it save you a lot of time, but a lot of hassle. And look at that fine cut. That's the JLC way, folks. Then we got another bed over here. Woo! Oh man. Got a few up there. And one back here. So yeah, folks, due to Mother Nature, she's about to pour down on us. We're just gonna go ahead and cut our losses for the day. We'll be back revisiting these for part 2. So yeah, you guys stay tuned and keep it waving, baby.
All right, wave gangers, we are back. We're gonna mulch. It's actually turning out to be a nice day. It was pretty cold. It's still windy, but we're gonna time lapse this bad boy. We got 5 yards of mulch here. We're gonna bang it out. Let's ride this wave. All right, guys, end of day. We're about half a yard short on this job, but we're gonna take care of it hopefully tomorrow for him. Want to come take a look real quick? She's pretty.
Oh yeah.
All the edges came out fantastic.
Shout out to the bed edger.
Shout out to the bed edge brown baby. But yeah, if you take a look real quick, T.
Ooh, that baby pop. Gotta get the edges for you guys. Yes. That's the JLC way,
That
folks.
is the JLC way. Alright, folks. Keep it real. T-Dot's dad's in the hospital. Say a little prayer for him. Strong man. You love him.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, guys. On to the next. See you tomorrow.
Wave gang.